Hello children, good morning all of you. Hope everybody are safe at home. So today we are going to discuss about 10th dated 8th class revision assignment 3 for coming our formative assessments. So in this, if you are come back to model paper consisting 2 Romans children. So each Roman consisting first Roman 5 MCQs and second Roman 5 blanks. Though the questions are formed under the form of like MCQs and blanks, these are very important children for your coming examinations. So first one of the first Roman is 8 times of a number reduced by 10 is equal to sum of 6 times to the number 4. 6 times to the number and 4. Then what is the number? So let the required number is x, just let us say. Now 8 times of a number, 8 times of a number already we consider x is reduced by 10, minus 10, okay, is equal to sum of 6 times the number, 6 times the number, that means 6 times x and 4, sum of, so symbol of addition. So 8 times of x, 8x minus 10 is equal to 6 times of x, 6x plus 4. So children, transpose the variable terms to left side and constants to right side. So plus is 6x minus 6x and minus 10 plus 10. So 8x minus 6x, 2x is equal to 14. Okay children, then when you transpose x from LHS to RHS, multiplication will be changed as division. So 14 cancels 2 7 times. So the required number is 7. The required number is 7 children. So it is there in the fourth option. So come back to next question children. So second question is, it is related to problems on ages children. So Mary is twice older than her sister. Okay, in 5 years time. First of all, what is the relation between, means in present ages? So let the present age of Mary, is twice older than her sister. So first Mary's sister's age of Mary's sister is x years. YRS means years. Then what is the Mary's age? Mary's age is twice to her sister. Twice means 2, multiply with 2. These are the present ages of Mary and her sister. In 5 years, that means in 5 years, okay. So what is the sister's age? Present x, in 5 years x plus 5. Okay, and Mary's age, present 2x, in 5 years 2x plus 5 years. Okay, so what is the relation between in 5 years she will be 2 years older than her sister. She will be 2 years older than her sister. That means if you want Mary's age, is sister's age plus 2 years older. So Mary's age is 2x plus 5 plus is equal to sister's age is x plus 5 plus 2. We can cancel same constant either sides and transpose x to LHS. Then 2x minus x is equal to 2. So what they are asking, find how old they are both now. Now means present. Present means we should consider these. So therefore present age of Mary is 2x. So you know x is equal to 2 into 2. Okay, 4 years. And sister's age is x years. That means 2 years. So Mary age first, sister age next. Okay. So Mary is how old there? Mary, which started with Mary. So 4 years, 2 years. Mary is 4 years and sister is 2 years. It is there in the second option, children. It is there in the second option. Okay. Come back to third question. When I triple a certain number and add it to 2, I get the same answer as I do when I subtract the number from 50. Then what is the required number? This is the third one of the first Roman, children. So here we have two kind of operations. What is the first one? When I triple a certain number, first of all, let the required number is, let us say, x. Then when I triple means multiply 3 times and add 2. So triple the number x and add 2 is 3x plus 2, say first relation. At the same time, whatever we got the result here, we got the same result when I do the another operation. What is that? When I subtract the number from 50, subtract the number x from 50, generally this is subtract the number from 50. That means 50 minus x will get the same answer. So okay, children. So from 1 and 2, okay, this is both are same. We got the same result. So in such a way we are forming simple equations, children. So after that we will get the required answer. So this is transpose minus x from RHS to LHS and transpose plus 2 from LHS to RHS. Then this is 4x is equal to 48. Then this is x is equal to 48 by 4, because this is multiplication, changes as division. So x is equal to 12. This is the required number. It is there in the first option. Children. So come back to our next question. So first Roman, fourth question. Sadhana got 24% discount on her frock. Okay, if she paid 380 rupees after discount, what is the marked price on the frock? Okay, so let the marked price, MP means marked price, children. So we don't know, that's we need to find out. So let the marked price on the frock is X rupees, children. Now discount, how much it is? 24%. What does it mean, children? For every 100 rupees there will be a reduction of 24 rupees is there on marketing price. Okay, then she paid 380 rupees after reducing discount to shopkeeper. So selling price to the shopkeeper is equal to cost price to Sadhana. Okay, so that is 380 rupees. So selling price of shopkeeper is cost price of Sadhana, okay, is equal to rupees 380. Okay, children. Now first of all, this is after reduction of proper discount. So how to find the discount, children? 24% on marketing price. That means 24 by 100 into marketing price, we don't know. That is the required to find. This is the amount in rupees. Okay, as discount. Okay, children. Now cost price 380 rupees. Okay, will get after reduction of some discount from the marketing price, will get proper discount. So if you simplify, this is 100x minus 24 x by 100 is equal to 380 rupees. So 100 minus 24, how much? 76. So 76 is equal to 3800. So x is equal to 3800 by 76. This will give 2 times 1000 cancelling to 500 times. Okay, children. So what is the marketing price of the frock? 500. First 524, second 500, 500s, 524s, 120. If you 120 is the discount. If you subtract 120 from 500, this is the marketing price of the frock or cost price of the Sadhana after reduction. Okay, children. Our next question. Come back to question number 5, children. So a man had to walk a certain distance. He covered 2/3 of it at 4 km/h and remaining the distance is 5 km/h. So what is the total time of course, given the total time taken to cover the total journey is in 42 minutes, then what is the total distance they are asking? Okay, children. So actually we don't know about the distance. Okay, so let the distance is x kilometers. Distance is x kilometers. Now a man had to walk a certain distance. He covered 2/3 of it. That means part 1, what is the distance? He covered 2/3 of the total distance, okay, at a rate of 4 km/h. At a rate of 4 km/h. Then what is the time taken here? Generally, children, speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So from this is distance 2x by 3 by speed 4 kilometers by 4. So this is 2x by 3 into 1 by 4. 4 by 1 means 1 by 4. So this is x by 6. This is x by 6 is t1 hours. Okay children, and coming to part 2. So part 2 means after covered 2/3 of the distance from the whole, remaining distance. So what is the remaining distance? From the total distance to whatever the distance covered in the part 1 should subtract. So this is 3x minus 2x by 3. So that should be equal to x by 3 hours. Kilometers. This is distance, no? Kilometers. Okay. Here what is the speed? So here speed is 5 km per hour. Okay. Then what is the T2? T2 is distance by speed. So x by 3 by 5. That means x by 15 hours. Okay. But what is the total time taken to complete the whole journey? 42 minutes children. So this is in hours. So we can convert 42 minutes into hours, or we can convert hours into minutes. That is our wish. So x by 6 into 60. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 6 10 times. So this is 10x minutes. And here this is x by 15 into 60. So 4 times. So this is 4x minutes. So what is the total journey? Total time is 42 minutes children. So T1 plus T2 is 42 minutes. That means just I am going to okay. So T1 means 10x, T2 means 4x is 42 minutes. So when I convert all are in same units, we can do directly. So this is 14x is equal to 42 minutes children. From that x is equal to 42 by 14. This gives 3 times. So x is equal to 3. X means what children? We consider the required distance. So therefore the required distance is 3 kilometers. It is given in last option D. It is given in D option children. So this is the fifth one of the first Roman. So after that, second Roman, question number 6 children. So second Roman, question number 6. The number is that which the third part exceeds to fifth by 4. The required number, let the required number is x, then what they given? Yes, third part of x means number exceeds its fifth part exceeds to fifth, F-I-F-T-H, fifth, okay, by 4. So third part of x means x by 3 children, and fifth part of x means x by 5 children. So this will be gives 4. Then let us do the simplification. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? 15. 15 cancel in 3 5 times, 5 times the numerator, and 15 cancel in 5 3 times, 3 times to numerator. So this is 2x is equal to by 15 into 15. So x is equal to 4 into 15 by 2, 2 times 2, 15 is 30. So x is equal to 2 into 15, that will be equal to 30. Okay, therefore the required number is 30 children. The required number is 30. So our next 7th question from the second Roman children. The value of x if value of x if okay, what is the equation? X by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. X by 3 plus 1 by 2. So transpose the variable terms and literal means numerical terms one side of equality sign. That means plus x by 3 minus x by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So calculate the LCM of LHS. Denominators for LHS 6. 3 times. So 3 times of numerator, 2 times. So 2 times of numerator, and LCM of denominators for RHS. So 4 cancel 2 times, 2 times of 1, 4 cancelling 4 1 time, 1 times of 1. So this is x by 6 is equal to 3 by 4. So x is equal to 3 by 4. So by 6 transpose to right side into 6. So 2 table, it is cancelled 2 times here and 3 times here. So this is 9 by 2 or else 4 1 by 2. So 9 by 2, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. So this is the required value of x children. And coming back to our next question, 8th one. The value of x if the equation is see that x plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. So let us calculate the LCM of denominators for LHS. So LCM of 6 and 9 taking 3 table. So 3 into 2 into 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18 is the LCM. So 6, 18 cancelling 6 3 times, 3 times of the numerator minus 18 cancelling 9 2 times. So 2 times of the numerator is equal to x plus 3 by 4. Now 3 times of x, 3 times of 5, 3 5s are 15, minus 2 times of x, minus of positive plus minus 2 1s are 2 by 18. So it is x plus 3 upon 4. Now 3x minus 2x, x plus 15 minus 2, 13 by 8 is x plus 3 by 4. Then if you go through the cross multiplication children, this is 4 into x plus 13 is equal to 8 into x plus 3 you can cancel with 2 table. So 2 times here and 9 times here. So let us do now. 2 times of x, 2 13 26, 9 times of x, 9 3 are 9 times of 3, 27 children. Then 26 minus 27 is equal to 9x minus 2x. So plus 2x minus 2x plus 27 minus 27. This is 7x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 by 7. X is equal to minus 1 by 7. So this is the value of x from the given identity when the linear equation in single variable. When the simple equation is given in such a way, what is the value of x, children? Minus 1 by 7. So whenever we are doing simplification of simple equations, children, at the time of examinations, if you have any doubt, let us cross check verification. Okay, substitute the given value in the given question in place of x, so that if LHS and RHS will getting same, okay, so that your process is correct. Okay, children. So our next question is 9th one. So 9th one is, in a class of 40 people, number of girls is 3/5 of the number of boys, then the number of boys in the class is how much? This is they are asking. So what are the total number of people in the class, children? 40. Number of people is 40. Number of PUPIL, that means students. PUPLE, that is people from the society, and elder one, everybody are elder people. Now total number of people in the class means boys plus girls is 40. Now what is the relation here? Number of girls is 3/5 of the number of boys. So let the number of boys is x. Let the number of boys in the class, let the number of boys in the class is x. Then girls is 3/5 of the boys. 3/5 of the boys. That means 3 by 5 into x. Anyway, boys plus girls is equal to 3/5. Okay. Boys plus girls is equal to 40. So boys is 3x by 5 plus girls, boys is x. Okay, girls is 3x by 5 is equal to 40. So when you go through the LCM, this is 5 times of x plus 3x is 40. Then it is 8x is equal to by 40 into by 5 into 5. So x is equal to 40 into 5 by 8, as it is cancelled 5 times 25. What is x, children? Number of boys in the class. Therefore number of people, here it is boys in the class is 25. Number of boys in the class is 25. So this is the question, children, and our last question is from the second Roman. Tenth one. What is the 10th one, children? The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. Then, okay, this is given in such a way. Given that, okay, numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. 4 less than the denominator. So let the denominator is x. let the denominator is x. Then what is the numerator? Is x minus 4. Denominator place substitute x. Then what is the fraction? Fraction is numerator by denominator. Okay, that means x minus 4 by denominator x. Okay, then what again? If 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, okay, if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. The fraction becomes 1 by 2. That means if you add 1 to numerator as well as denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. So what is the numerator here, children? X minus 4 plus 1 by, what is the denominator? Denominator you consider as x plus 1 is equal to, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. So we need to simplify this. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. Go to cross multiplication, children. So 2 times of x minus 3 is equal to 1 times of x plus 1. So 2 times of x, 2 times of 3. Then 2x minus x is equal to 1 plus 6. So x is equal to 7. It is not required answer, children. Here what we need, then what is the required fraction? Therefore the required fraction is numerator by denominator. What is the numerator? X minus 4 by, what is the denominator? X. So x value is 7. So 7 minus 4 by 7. Therefore this is 3 by 7. So the required fraction according to the relation is 3 by 7, children. So that's all for today's assignment for 8th class, children. So thank you so much. Have a nice day and keep working.